Welcome back, students. Let us continue the lesson word processor and introduction. So in my previous class I have discussed how to create a new document and how to enter a text in a document. Okay, if you have not watched that video, so once you watch that video you will understand the points. Now today we will see how to select the text in a document. So let me open Microsoft Word, click on Start, click on All Programs, click on Microsoft Office, then click on Microsoft Word 2010. Okay, it opens Microsoft Word application. So before learning why it needs to select the text, okay, so what happens if we have not selected the text, or if we select the text, then what we can do. Okay, so why text is to be selected? Because if you want to copy the text from one place to another place, if you want to delete the text from this document, if you want to format this text, so in that cases text has to be selected. If you are not selected the text and if you are trying to do that operations, it is not possible. Okay, text has to be selected and this operation can be done only with the selection text. To perform any action on the text, okay, to perform any action, what action? So that is given here. To perform any action on the text, like copying, if you want to copy the text from one place to another place, moving, if you want to move the text from one place to another place, deleting or formatting, so you need to select the text. So here they are given why to select the text: to copy, to move, to delete, to format. So text has to be selected. So let me type on paragraph to show that how to select the text. Any action on the text like copying, moving, deleting or formatting, etc. You need to select the text. Okay, here they are given to select the text. Okay, just I am typing on paragraph because I need a text in this document to show that how to select the text. To select the text, here steps are given. So now what I will do, I want this same set of text down. Okay, same text or same set of text. In that case, you can select the text, you can copy it and keep the cursor and you can paste it. Okay, same set of text is copied and pasted. Now how to copy, how to paste, it is there in this lesson. At that time I will show you, I will explain you in a detail how to copy and how to text. Now the point is how to select the text. To select the text, place the cursor before the text you wish to select. So from where you are going to begin your selection, you have to place the cursor. Placing the cursor in the sense keeping the cursor. So I am going to keep the cursor here, in the sense I am going to begin my selection from this point, from this position. Okay, hold down the left mouse button. So after keeping the cursor, hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse over the text to be selected. See, now I hold down the mouse button. Now I am dragging it towards right side. See that the text is highlighting. Now if you drag it towards right side, text is go on selecting in the right direction. If you pull it down, then text gets a select in a downward direction. Okay, so in this way you can select the text, and selected text highlights with the blue color. Okay, so it is highlighting with the blue color. It indicates text is selected. Release the mouse button. The selected text gets highlighted as shown in the figure 3.4. Okay, as shown here how the selected text appears and how the normal text appears. So this is selected text and this is normal text. Now if I press the delete key, only this text is going to delete, not this text, because this text is selected. That's why after pressing delete key, so this text is going to delete. Now if I set the color, in that case only for this text that color is going to set, not for this. See, I will show you. I am going to set the color. Okay, red color will set it. See, now only for that selected text that color got selected. Next I am going to make it bold. Okay, I will click on bold button. See, only the selected text is showing or displaying in the bold form. Okay, bold format. I'll make it italic. Here it is showing in italic format. In if you want to make an underline, I'll click on underline. See, only the selected text is appearing with the underline. Understood? So in this way, now I'll increase the size. So for increasing size, only selected text size got increased, not this text. Okay, normal text. So in this way, you can select the text in your document. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now if I press delete key, only this text is going to delete, so not this text. Okay, only selected text gets deleted. So that's why selection is very important. Okay, there are different points in a selection also. Here I will show you. Okay, for your knowledge, if you want to select only one word, then just double click on that word. Only that word gets selected. For example, now I want to select only this word, then just double click, that word gets selected. Next, if you want to select one sentence means what? Where you get the full stop. So till there, that line will be considered as a sentence. So here, from here to here is one sentence. Okay, so hold Control key and press anywhere, click anywhere on that sentence, that entire sentence gets selected. Okay, see once again, hold Control key and click anywhere on the sentence. If I click here, only this sentence is going to select. See, okay, if I click here by holding the Control key, okay, only this sentence is going to select. This is selecting the sentence. So one is when you double click on the word, only one single word gets selected, and when you hold Control key and when you click it anywhere on the sentence, that entire sentence gets selected. If you want to select one full line, in that case take the mouse pointer in a left margin area and click it. So entire line gets selected. So this is selecting the line. Now I want to select only this line. Okay, take the mouse pointer in a left margin area. Okay, this empty area is called as left margin area. So in this left margin area, just click it. Only that the full one line is going to select. Now if you want to select 1, 2, 3 lines, in that cases keep the cursor from where you are going to begin the selection. Now till here I am going to select the text. So that's why hold shift button on your keyboard and click it. So that block gets selected. Okay, this is selecting the block. Okay, keep the cursor from where you are going to begin the selection, then click at the end position till where you are going to carry the selection. Only so that position or that text is going to select. Next, now if you want to select this full block, in that case triple click in the left margin area. So when you triple click in this left margin area, the entire block gets selected. Another alternative is you can hold Control key and you can press A. Hold Control button and press A, then also it means simply it means select all. It selects the entire text. Simple method, shortcut way is triple click in this left margin area. Okay, when you triple click in this left margin area, the entire block gets select. Single click in a left margin area, only that sentence is going to select. When you double click over that word, only that word gets select. Then by holding the Control key and clicking anywhere on the sentence, it selects the one sentence. Okay, so these are the different ways or different methods of selection. Okay, this is very important to understand the selection of a text. I hope you have understood these points. Thank you for watching.